Back for the last class. I'm very sorry for the mistake. Well, nobody above mistake. Um, um, for the last class, we have a particular problem that we are trying to solve, but Cubase 64 is trying to reject it. But I remember I told you that in Cubase 1.1, if you declare your variables like in the old method that I showed you, it will surely compute. But we have a new method for declaring variable in Qbase 64, and it's also the same method we do here that you can also do in Visual Basic. And if you want to declare a variable in Qbase 64, we use your dim keyword, and you can also use this also in Qbase 1.1 using the dim keyword. What is the meaning of dim keyword? Dimension, that is, in what dimension do you want to declare this variable. You are declaring this variable as a string, you are declaring this variable as an integer, you are declaring this variable as a double, single, and that. So you use your dim keyword, then after the dim keyword you put in the name of your variable, which is num1 as integer. So you correct it, num2 as integer. I want to do a simple calculation here. Num3 as answer. Let's put it as integer. So CLS, I think you remember in the last class what CLS does. Let's compute our, say, answer equals num1 plus num2 . So try to copy, so lazy, go to copy down, paste, change this, put minus, paste, put multiplication, paste, put what again? What do you want to put? Let's put division. Okay, now we already declare a variable. We've not assigned value to it. We can assign value to it at the top or later in our program. Remember the last class I told you that your variable can change within the program. Now you see we declare answer at default is 0 in this place, but we assign an answer to an expression. So your variable can change within your program. In the last I said I let you understand that. Now what I mean by within your program is when you're working with your program, X can answer is different, is assigned at this side. The answer you get here is different from the answer you get here. Is different from the answer you what the result of answer you get here. So we will show you. I'll show you. So you can put the value like answer by put equals. Let's say equals 3. Give us an error. It does not allow us to do that during declaration, but you can do that in VB. Okay, let's see what's our num1 equals 4. Yeah, allow that. I know it's going to allow us to do that. Num2 equals 5. So let's put our print. Let's print So what we're going to do is we're going to print what answer. So let's copy that. You see that the values of our answers will be different from each other. Print answer here. That's what we mean by the variable can change within your program. The value of your variable can change. So is it correct? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, please let's give it space. So space. Okay, so we can run the program. Yeah. Here is the answer, which is the first result is 9 minus 1, 20 and 1. And let's see whether what we did was right. Yes, it's 4 plus 5, 9. 4 minus 5, that'll give us minus 1, which is correct. 4 times 5, 20. Then how many 4 can we find in 5? Is 1. Now remember, this is integer. If you look at the previous result, in this last result, it gave us 1. But when we have to compute it in math, it's supposed to be 1 point. Yes, but because it's an integer, Qbasic would round it up to 1. Integer value does not accept decimal number. So if we want to do that, we have to change. If we want to say our decimal number, we have to change our answer to double. Yes, I hope you get it. Double. So if we compute our result, wait, so see, said, so it will be it's not showing it like, so 0.8, that it should be 1.8. so that's, computing a double sometimes in Qbase 64 won't give us the actual amount, but the result is 1.8. You can trace your calculator and you will see the result. So let's use a single. Okay, let's try that. Still 1.8. Still 1.8. Say float. Oh, it's not accepting. Okay. Oh, yes, let's declare a string. Our string also put dim. What should we put there? Let's say x. Please, your variable can, now you have to follow the naming method of naming a variable. Let's string, so x. Our x here is so we print x. So let's run it. Here's the result. Well, thank you once again. We'll see you next class.